life has just been so nuts lately. And you guys know I'm back on the wagon. I'm trying to do better, make better choices. And because life's crazy, it makes it hard, especially here at work. Like, let me tell you, we've been extremely busy. I'm not going to complain because grateful, thankful, blessed, job security, right? I literally have a foot stack of paperwork on my desk that I can't get to because it's been so busy. Anyway, I want to like give you a tip or trick of some things you need to keep in your house to help you. All right. So for me, I keep lunch meat. This is my favorite, the Tuscan style turkey breast. And just so you know, I've lost over 220 pounds and maintaining, keeping that weight off, it ain't easy. So keep some deli meat in your home. String cheese. I keep that. I like to get the light ones. Boiled eggs. And yes, I buy them already boiled. I don't want to hear about processed preservatives. I don't care. Okay. And I like to keep mini peppers at all time. Because today I had no time to do anything. So I just was able to grab all this really quick and I have myself a high protein, adult lunchable girl dinner, whatever you want to call it. Super quick, super simple. And I'm staying on track. And let's be so for real, I am eating off a paper towel because I was in a hurry this morning. I didn't have time to grab any plates. Okay, so it is what it is. But I will tell you, I am the dipping queen. The dipping queen. This turkey is so delicious. I don't need a dip. And that's weird for me. If you know me, know I love ranch and dip. But it's good. I didn't have any type of cutlery to cut up my sweet mini pepper, but I had to use my bare hands. And you've got to have some mustard on your boiled eggs. I prefer Taco Bell mild or hot sauce on my boiled eggs, but I don't have any here today, so this is what we're doing. That's good. I ate like this for a long time on my weight loss journey. A lot of turkey pepperonis, mini peppers, string cheese. If you've watched me since I started on here, you know this is what I do. What you eat doesn't need to be complicated. So I think a lot of times when we're on a weight loss journey, we fail because we make it too complicated. Not some people's jam. They want to make a 5-course meal and they want to do everything from scratch. That's just not me. I'm a simple, easy girly. Again, not like that, you know. But woo! That mustard done hit the back of my throat. Woo! Sorry. It's hard to come up with meal ideas. Well, here you go. High protein and low carb, which you don't have to keep it low carb if you don't want to. That's just what I prefer to do. That's what works best for me. When I have easy grab and go things that are healthy, I stay on track that way. Anyway, I'm going to eat while I work. Thanks for joining me for lunch, and I hope you have a good lunch today too. Bye!